Hey guys, this is my shrimp Alfredo recipe. I am so happy to share this because it is such a quick meal. But then again, all of my meals are quick meals. I hope you guys missed me. I had technical difficulties last week. So we're back at it this week with shrimp Alfredo. I'm using Rotini Pasta. I already put my pasta in the pot of boiling water. And now I am seasoning my shrimp. I'm only using my friend's Ashley's Seafood Seasoning. I believe I got the mild version. I'll put all of her info in the description later. And I'm also using garlic powder and onion powder and some avocado oil to bind it all together. So when it cooks, the seasoning actually stays onto the shrimp a little bit more than it would if there was no oil. So yeah, I'm using a spoon instead of my hands. I guess I learned that from an influencer. So the pasta is just about al dente, which basically it just means it's done, but it's not like soggy. It's done to perfection. This shrimp, I should have used more than one bag. I purchased a small bag from Aldi, and I guess it was enough for my family, but it depends on how much you love shrimp. And I like to eat in moderation, so I don't like to make too much shrimp at a time. So I'm going in with the heavy cream after my shrimp has been cooked 3/4 of the way to that beautiful pinkish color. And then once you add in your heavy cream, you'll notice that between 5 to 10 minutes from there, on medium-high heat, your heavy cream will start to boil rapidly like this. That's when you know that it's starting to thicken up, and then you can start adding in your favorite seasonings. On this part, I just added salt and pepper and Parmesan cheese, and I allowed it to thicken up a little longer as I incorporated the pasta back in to the pan, as you're about to see. I absolutely love sharing these recipes with you guys. I know that some families don't have time to make, meals that takes more than an hour. And because I do this as a profession and a trade, it's easy for me to do it because I'm home, but it doesn't mean that I actually want to be in the kitchen all day. So these 30-minute meals hit differently, especially when you're the creator and you're a family. I'm feeding my family the way I would like for y'all guys to feed your family. This is why I create these kind of recipes, because we all are busy. We all are tired. We all need a 30-minute meal to get us through. I love you guys. I hope y'all had an amazing last week. And don't forget, we all have 24 hours in a day. Don't forget to spend at least 1 hour with God. I love you guys. More content coming soon. Peace out.